Good morning. Good morning. You're welcome to today's lectures. Today we have BDT 253 pharmaceutical calculations. But before we start, I can remember I made a promise yesterday that I will give an outline of the different courses you offer. We'll do for this semester, and they are what they are. Okay. BDT 253 PSC 201 BDP 231 star 211. I forgot that we say we're using this table. Please come. Two people that come help me, please. I forgot that. Get the table to the center. Alma, come and help her. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the center. Oh, just a bit. It's okay. What is missing out? You're not seeing what? Good, anatomy. Anna 241. Okay. These are the courses for this semester. AM 221 is actions and uses of medicines. I'm handling this one. BDT 251 is basic dispensing theory 2. This is basic dispensing theory 2. BDT 255 is logistics and supply chain management. 1. Logistics and supply chain. Logistics and supply chain management. This marker is not out there. Okay, let me see how far I can go. Logistics and supply chain management. This one is basic dispensing Theory 2. You know you did 151 in your first year. Now this one is actions. This one is actions and uses of medicines. This is 2. Remember you did the first one in your first year, 1, 2, 2. This is pharmaceutical calculations. Pharmaceutical calculations. This is primary health care. Primary health care. 1. You do another one in your final year. That is 312 second semester. Final years are doing it now. This one is basic dispensing practicals. Basic dispensing practical 1. This is statistics. This one is basic you did the first year own, then that should be introduction to microbiology or something, right? If I'm not mistaken. You do now, but this one actually it should be pharmaceutical microbiology, but we just call it this one. Will go towards trying to find out those things you did in your first year microbiology, its application in pharmacy. You go a deep. That's why you start you study about this some of these antibiotics and other things. This is where you go a step deeper, but with a small touch of pharmaceutical applications. Okay, so it's not really basic, but let's leave it at that. This is what anatomy and what you read this one for yesterday, right? Physiology 1. So these are the courses. All these things are 3 credit load except this one, this and this. Except primary health care and statistics, all of them are 3 credit units. All of them are 3 credit units except this, and this. The others are 3 credit units. Sorry, I want to bring, I sorted your notice. I hope you understood, you saw the result posted by the principal, right? I hope you understood it. You don't understand it. You don't understand it. Okay. All right, and you kept quiet. Bravo. Because what I'm saying is that I'm seeing people that are not supposed to be in this class and are here. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. I don't want to call anybody's name. Don't waste your time. That's why I asked that question. Please go back to that thing again and go through it, so you don't waste your time here at the end. You start saying, I can't run me for Ofuma. Everybody that should wait for 50 years to come. So they will join them. Unless they're coming for lectures. Maybe because they don't want to go home and stay. They want to be reading. Maybe they want to prepare ahead of time. Maybe. But in real sense, go back to that result again. Look for where your name is. Be sure of what you are doing. So don't waste your time here. Because at the end, nobody will listen to you. All right, so if you are done, let us go over to what we have today. If you don't understand where your name falls, please, so after you come and meet me, let me explain to you. If you don't understand where your name falls, because it can be painful after staying for like 4 months, coming to lectures. Maybe space years will start by September. You wasting your time. By October, you not see your name in the class list. Then your name will be in the first year list where you will be missing quizzes and other assignments. It can be painful. That's why I'm talking like this. Can I clean? Can I clean this? So your first semester is 9 courses. Okay, today we will take a look at ability 253. We have roughly how many minutes to go? I'm talking at 8:30 dots. Roughly how many minutes to go? Okay, we say have up to for something minutes, right? So I think we can do something. Okay, yesterday we introduced enumeration and notation, right? We actually to the operations in. What is even LCM? Say, why? Tell me what's LCM? What is LCM? What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. What is multiple? What is multiple of a number? Define multiple of a number. What is the multiple of a number? What does it mean? That's the question. I'm listening. Nobody knows. But I see. What is multiple of a number? Multiples are factors. What do they mean? What does it mean? I didn't say you should read for me. I say meaning. When it's time to read, you read. I allow you to read. I want someone that will explain to me what multiple of a number. What does it mean? And I need just simple statements. Has covered it. Just simple thing. No long story. Don't blow grammar you saw online. Just simple sentence that show that you really know what it means. Not long grammar from. Yes, correct. She's correct. She's correct. Just simply multiple of a number. Multiple of a number is a number that can be divided by that number. Simple. Multiple of a number is a number that can be divided. Multiple of a given number x. Let me put it in a way that you understand. So you don't mix numbers. Multiple of a number x is any number that can be divided by x without remainder. Simple. So any number that can be divided by x without remainder is a multiple of what? X. Simple. Any number that can be divided by x without remainder is a multiple of x. So let's example of such number, let's say 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 4 can be divided by 2 without what? Remainder. So if 4 can be divided by 2 without remainder, 4 is a multiple of what? 2. 6 can be divided by 2 without remainder. So 6 is a multiple of what? 2. Now, what are factors? Factors of a number x. Factors of a number x. In fact, if just use, forget plural, just simply put factor of a number x is a number that can divide what? X. Watch the two sentences. They're not the same thing. Factor of a number x is any number that can divide x without what? Remainder. So any number that can divide x without remainder is a factor of what? X. Okay, between 4 and 2. 2 can divide 4 without remainder. So 2 is a factor of what? 4. While 4 is a multiple of what? 2. 6 is a multiple of 2. While 2 is a factor of what? 6. Alright, so in fact, I won't waste my time. Someone should come and solve this for us now, fast. I said, someone should come out and solve. I didn't say tell me the answer. I said, come out and solve. And you'll be explaining that you solve. Don't come and solve and go. Explain what you are doing as you are doing it. The way I solve for you on the board. That's how I wanted to solve it. Oh yeah. Sorry.
LCM 5 and 2. First of all, you pick the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number, so you bring out 2. 2 divided by 5. It will not go. Write down 5.
Pause. Having explained multiple, so what actually is the meaning of LCM? Lowest common. So what does it mean? Out of the factors of what? Multiples of what? A number, the lowest one, right? Good. I have continue.
2 divided by 2, 1. So you are done with 2 now. The only remaining 2 is 5, so you bring down 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. Write down 5. You times the outcome, which is 2 times 5. So your LCM now is what? 10. You bring it down here. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 times 1 plus 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 8, 4.
Use this thing, please. Stop learning how with see the. So what's the answer? In exam now, she afraid it, hope you know. You can see no something afraid in exam. So be careful. She wrote what word over 2 over 10, and she come out and be jumping up and down that she smashed it. We don't know that she failed it. So be careful in exam, okay? That's the point I'm making. Be careful. Okay, the answer is what? Who doesn't know how to do this? Please raise your hand. Let me see you. Hey, raise your hand, though. Let me see you. Who doesn't know how to do this? Okay. What did you not understand there? Everything. Are you serious? Ada, come back. Because someone has question to ask. Come. Oh yeah, ask your question. Ask her your question. Take. Hey, I don't want this, please.
So for you pick out the numbers and the denominator, which is 2 and 5, right? You draw a line. The lowest number here is 2, and 2 cannot divide 5, right? Any lowest number, you bring it out. Are you seeing? So 2 divided by 2 now, 1. 2 cannot divide 5, so you bring out that 5 again. You are done with this one. So the only remaining number here is 5. You bring down 5 here. 5 divided by 1, you just write 1. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. You understand it now? You now pick out these two numbers. 2. Yeah, everything is always multiplication. 2 times 5. 4. You understand
Are you sure? Who else doesn't know how to do this thing? This is your primary school mathematics. After you meet her, they're not serious. You came late. I don't mean those that came into my class. I mean those that we are here when we discussed it. Okay? Who else? What's that? How to do what? Convert mixed fraction. She said that she doesn't know how to convert mixed fraction. This to what? Mixed fraction. Who can do it for us? Who? Gift, come out fast. Fast, 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 fast. Oh yeah. In as much as this is not what we should be doing here, but I know why I'm doing it. So you don't have any reason to fail this course. Am I communicating? Yeah.
In converting to this fraction, you look at the numerator, that is the number of, you check like how many times you can get the denominator inside the numerator. So in 13 now, this is our numerator, 10 is our denominator. Then we check the multiple of 10 that is closer to 13. So we have 10 times 1, and that is equals to 10. 10 times 2 is equals to 20. So 20 is higher than this 13, so we'll go for this 10. And what will we multiply to give us that 10? That is 1. That will be our whole number. Then now, this 10 that we get, minus 13 from it, that will be your remainder, 3/10.
Is it clear now? Who said no? Who said no? Who? I heard no. Who is that person? Please, I want to hear the person that said no. Who said no? Who said no? Okay, oh yeah.
That person, write it out there. If you write there, you want one, or write that down. Remember, quickly at the name.
You say what? Let me. It's what, okay? After dividing what? Okay. Wait, I don't like if I see you making noise, you leave my class. If you know it, keep quiet, please. If you know it and what you are doing here is too small for you, please put your head on your desk and be sleeping. Be coming down. Don't think you know it. Don't develop such mindset. No matter, even if you think you know something, calm down. Be watching what is going on. Continue.
Like they say, someone can use write out 10, then they say write 13. So you can also look up the 10, the 13. So we write in one as 2, and the remaining 3 write it out there. And over that, then
No. I like what she's doing. She has an in-depth understanding of it, and she's explaining it to in a way they will understand. So what you say is okay. If you left for me to solve this thing. Yeah, this thing that was doing is you just pa. For me, just pa is what? 10 pa is what? 5 plus pa is what? Times 4 is what? 8. Answer is what? 13 over what? Stress. But there are people here that are seriously, I keep saying this. There are people that have, but I'm happy. I'm happy that people that don't know this are opening up. There are people that I don't know, maybe by background, the type of school they went to. At the end, how is going on. Is our system is messed up. That's a fact. I'm saying it live. I'm not hiding it. But I'm happy they are opening up. That's why she's doing this. This is an opportunity for us to do what? Learn this. That's why I didn't want to go and start doing all this. All this is just one step. Will just give me the answer straight. But at the end, if I do that, people will hear, what is he doing? Some people say, what is he doing? So I like what Gift did here. She actually broke it down. Yeah, but the one you are saying is also in order. 10 divide 13 is what? 1. Remember what? 3. You put it here. Because that 3 cannot be divided by 10. Or put the 3 over what? 10. That's the answer. But there are some people here that may not understand this. So what she did is okay. Your own is also what? Okay. So please, we are doing math review. There's a reason for this math review before we enter into pure farm card topics. The reason is because we are aware that some people have foundational issues with mathematics. And we're also aware that some people must have forgotten what they learned. So that's why we are doing the first 4 topics is what? Math review. Until we now enter the 5th topic, we now enter core farm card what topic. So what she did is another. So I believe if I give another question now that has to do with what is it called? With what is it called? If we enter into such thing, we can do that, right? I believe that we can solve that, okay? Good. Yes. No, improper fraction, the denominator. This is an improper fraction. Proper is when the numerator is less than the denominator. Let's assume we have 10 over 13. This is a proper fraction. Then 13 over 10, where the numerator is greater than the what? Is improper. Am I communicating? Which that means you need to break it down so that it will. And please note this, please. If I give you a question, and you are solving in this type of thing, and if you solve and get 4 over 8, please bring it to the lowest what? 10. Please don't leave the answer like this. Yes, even though they have same value, but I want you to leave it to the lowest what? So lowest 10 here is what? 1 over what? Please, I beg you. Okay? Unless you cannot divide again, you can stop. If you leave it hanging, I will not mark it. It's 0. You have failed it. I'm telling you the rules now to my own standard of marking my paper, my own paper. Please bring it to the lowest what? Don't leave it hanging. The first point. The second point, don't leave it as improper fraction, okay? Don't leave it as what? Improper fraction. And if I give you questions that have to do with common fraction, don't solve and end up in decimal fraction. It mean that you punch your calculator to solve it. You fail it. Unless I ask you, leave your answer in what? Decimal fraction. I know why I'm saying this because some people will just give them about 20 questions that has to do with fraction because they don't know be doing answers in what? Decimal. That decimal. As you are doing it the same way you are doing what? You are failing it because you don't do anything. Okay, please. These are the things you should note. Okay, now let's see. Let me just bring this thing down to. Let me look for. You know, this thing is this thing. There's something I missed in numbers. Please, most of you see all these figures now. You see all these things here now. They are just. What is it called? They are abstracts. That's why it's general mathematics. Okay, this is an abstract. So we have abstract numbers. You know, numbers can be classified based on different criteria. Am I communicating? Now, this is these numbers here are abstract. This is abstract what? Numbers. Now, we have denominate numbers. Number that have been denominated. Simply put, when a unit is already what? Is assigned. Let's assume if you have, you know, in our notes, in our currency, they say naira, right? If you have 1 naira or share 20 Nigerian naira, 20 Nigerian naira is not this number has been denominated. It's no longer abstract. If it's only 20, it is abstract. But because of this unit here, this thing here is now a denominator what? Number 20 Nigerian naira. The same thing goes with let's say in physics you see 20 Newton, 2 Newton. Okay, this 2 has been denominated by adding this unit 2 what? Newton. Am I communicating? Come in. What is this thing you're wearing? Oh yeah, go back and wear it well, then come in. This is 2 Newton, right? 2 Newton. This is not an abstract number now. It's a denominator number. 2 gram. I'm coming to pharmacy now. 2 what? 2 gram is a what? A lot of people, the drug has been distributed to different places, different states. True of us? Yes. That's why you should be very careful, even what you are doing. Soon, you did talk yesterday, right? Some of you, I don't know, I wasn't there to know what you are doing. Some of you will go there and be jumping up and down. No. This is what you do now. If you're not careful, what you do now will keep following you. If you don't know how to sit down one place and study, go to class, when you go to outside and start working, you cannot stay place. This is how you jump from place to what? Place. It's not unless you start working on yourself. The same way, if you cannot comport yourself in this lab, so forget it. You see yourself to do what you need the attention, you will not be able to do that. Because it has become what you do today, what you do, a mistake or whatever is you today, tomorrow you do it again, will become your what? Habit. And over time, if that habit is not it, to know what is that thing you are doing, it will become what? Become your character. So please, and I know why I'm saying it because immediately. So what it means can say, let's assume you are giving 50 pills, I mean something will it. I can give you 0 comfortably. I'm smiling at you. So until you know how to sit it up, know where I'm pointing out other things now. It's not putting it down. Others are looking at me. I've pointed up to 5 things now. That's why there's no way you fail my course. You beat your chest and say, Mia culpa, Mia maxi, Mia culpa. Na me will know what I know do. You can never blame me. You only because you start about different instances where you are giving the clue, but you not follow it. You be crying. Go and ask anybody that have failed my course. You cannot blame me because I'll give you clue from the beginning. Step by step, you will see it. And that's why if you score 49, 49 is F. There's nothing like half. Know it today and be serious with what you are doing. That's the point I'm making. Please, these things I've said, please. Now, I want to go into this need home it. Let me pick some one or two questions that has something to do with what you measurement and other things so that you understand you appreciate it better. Am I communicating? Now, please note this point. I think I mentioned it, I don't know. In pharmacy, we use more of decimal fraction than what? Common fraction, okay? We use more of what? Decimal fraction than what? Common fraction. Okay, now let's look at this. Let's look at this question. Put it down. How many? Okay, sorry, we have not discussed common fraction and decimal fraction, right? Okay, let me not ask. No, leave that question. It has to. There's some that we have the decimal fraction there. Leave it. Let's go to the one that has only common fraction. Okay. No, let me write this one on the board. You come and write for us now. One more, come and write it for us fast. Fast, fast, fast. No time to wait. Fast, fast, fast. Fast. Number 4. Okay, shoot na mumamfe. Ona kafanchan. Oh yeah. Write this one. Number 4. Fast. It's not writing well. Okay. Just 1 over 8 ounce, 1 over 4 ounce, 1 over 2 ounce. How many ounces of hydromorphone? Maybe like maybe the weight. Okay, is a old system of measurements. When let's assume he has 3 ounces, right? From there, he weighed out what 1 over 8 for different or something. He weighed out again what another formulation. Then the next day, 1.5 ounces. There, you are not asked it's simple. It's not difficult. We didn't need to run on board. Come here, we didn't need here. Do anything in your mind. Let's see. That one is even the worst. That one marker here again. What's going on? Okay, after use this one. Use this one. Use this one. Fair and fair. Alright. Are you done? Kaketo. What business has Kaketo to do with this? Be doing. See, while she's solving, I want you to note one thing, please. Another area, no one. When you're done, let me know. I want you to know something, please. Oh, these keywords, don't joke with them. Speed and what? Accuracy. Are you done? The what? Are you done? Continue. If not, I don't want to markers. They have tried. Right. She's become marker, don't worry. What did you do? No. Let her tell us what she did. Black at the mirror. Thank you. Tell us what you did, isn't it?
So, the pharmacies have three.
Ounces, eh?
So I use this, and I have to add this to subtract it something.
You added this.
Yeah, I added it and get this answer. They're not change it to improper fashion. Now I know it.
Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Change it to this. Okay.
No, leave it. This one is different. You were asked question in this. Who got a different something different from what you saw? Who got something different from what you saw? Who got something different from what she saw? Nobody. Okay, good. I like that. So what did you get? You got what? 39 over 8. Here, as the answer. She got 39 over 8. So moving to improper fraction, it becomes what? 4 over what? You added, right? She added, so I got 39 over 8. So you should do what? Subtract. You know you are very from that stock. The pharmacy has been had took 1/8, took 1/4, took 1/2, which is what? 3/what? Took what? 3/what? 2. So if you want to know the amount remaining, you add up those ones the pharmacist took. Am I communicating? Yes. So if you have 1/8 plus what? 1/4 plus what? 3/2, which is what? 1 plus 4 into 8, 4 divided 8, 2 times 1, 2 plus 2 divided 8, 4, 2 divided 8, 4 times 3, 12. You add up 1 plus 2, 3 plus 12, 15 over what? 8. So this is it. 15 over 8 ounces was taken away. So if you know the amount remaining, you subtract this from the 3 ounces already in the stock, right? So it becomes 3 minus what? 15 over what? 8. Which she did here. Let's see whether she's correct. This is what? 8, right? 8 divided by 1 is what? 8. Times 3 is what? 20 what? 4. Minus what? 8 divided by 8 is what? Times 15 is what? You subtract. 24 minus 15 is what? 9 over what? 8. Move it to what? Proper mixed fraction. 8 divided by 9 is 1. Remember what? 1. 1 over what? 8. Is she correct? Then you put your what? Unit, which is what? Ounces. You put your unit, which is what? She's correct. She's correct. So have you now seen? We are just looking at common fraction now. We have not entered decimal. So this is how you may see it as an applied question, as an applied listening. So next one let me see if there's any other question that has to do with this common fraction we can solve before going over to decimal fraction. Okay, let's move to decimal fractions. Other questions we'll solve it. There are some questions here that that has a combination of both the decimal fractions and what percentage. So let's just look at decimal fractions. Let's look at decimal fractions. I have said a lot about this decimal fraction. I wouldn't waste time again. In fact, when we treated numbers, I used it to most of the things I said, greater percentage of the things I said there, we are about what? Decimal fraction. So, kedu maka njikita? Okay. So, decimal fraction, they have decimal points, right? And remember I told you, not all your numbers with decimal points are what? Fractions. If you want to check, if your number is in decimal form is a fraction, you check what? You check the what? The pattern. If it is continuous anyway, you check the pattern, right? If it has a pattern, then you say what? Is a fraction, is a rational number. But if it's not if it doesn't have a pattern, then it's not what? A rational what? Number. Am I communicating? Yes. Am I communicating? Yes. So now, basic thing I want you to know here is be able to know which of the decimal, how to add. Wait, are we through with operations? Subtraction and addition are almost the same thing now, right? Right? So I wouldn't waste time on subtraction again. Subtraction and addition are the same thing. Mr. Bond, you have them now, right? By 8:30. Huh? You have them now, right? Yeah. Okay. No, you know you can prepare a timetable and I'm also carry all of the here now. This is not my own. I will talk about it. I don't know your own. Well, all right. That was on another time. What's time now? 8:30. Okay, I think I will stop. So you can have time with you people. Have you seen why this reason why I like taking a lot of time? There are a lot of things I'll keep, but it's okay. It's okay. It's good. It's good. If I am to teach, if I am to teach you now as your lecturer, you know now, I'll just go straight to the point. Go and read fractions. We are done. But when I look at some of you, I feel somehow I need to come down to lift you. I believe that those that didn't know anything about fraction before, now you can solve fraction now. At least you can add fraction, right? The same way, you can follow the same principle to do subtraction. The same principles we use in addition. Follow the same principle in what? Subtraction. The only thing you need to do is where there is plus, you put what? Simple. It's the same principle. What differ is only in multiplication and division, okay? So with that, in our next class, I'll just give one question. We solve for subtraction. That will be all for what? Subtraction. We move over to what? Division and what? Multiplication. After that, we'll now go to decimal fraction. I thought I was through with principle for operations in common fraction. That's why I moved to decimal fraction. So thank you very much for your attention. My attendance, where is it? Gift. You don't do your work again. Gift. Class is doing what he's doing. Normal things. Spread out.